She had filed in 2005 a case of 498A and
Against you.
against me, and but never appeared in the court to give the evidence.
The police have examined you.
Yeah.
You must have given some statement.
Yeah, I have already said that I have never married her, I never stayed with her. So all those evidences
Is it
are
so?
on record.
He has admitted that he has married her, by force.
She is an habitual offender. She has filed 3 criminal cases against
What
me.
is this LinkedIn profile of the respondent?
That is my
What it
wife's
shows?
and mine. She has concealed 32 lakhs of income which she earns, and she has given a false bank statement.
Where is the impugned order?
Yeah, in the main order, main petition, page number 48. The respondent had filed a petition under section 125 CRPC in the Honorable Family Court, alleging that I have married her in 2005 as per the Christian Marriage Act. In the year of 2017, she has put a case alleging that I have married her in the Christian Marriage Act, and currently I have contracted a marriage with one Miss Achintya and has a daughter. This is her allegation in 2017, while I have denied any form of marriage or cohabitation with the respondent, who is Janet Flavier. The respondent got a favorable order from the family.
What is the evidence adduced by her to show that to establish that there is a marriage between?
Yeah, so I was about to come. As per the Supreme Court, long cohabitation leads to presumption of marriage. Simple proof of marriage is required. Here, there has been no cohabitation established. There is not a single page in the order where it says I have cohabited with the respondent.
What are the documents listed?
Yeah, so the documents which were produced, where I would like to get you to the page, point number 14.
Next, certified copy of the FIR and complaint. What is this?
She had filed in 2005 a case of 498A and
Against you.
against me, and but never appeared in the court to give the evidence.
Charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet was filed, but she never came, and it is
Then
acquitted.
in the charge sheet, what did you say?
It is acquitted.
Not acquittal. When the police have examined you,
Yeah.
you must have given some statement.
Yeah, I have already said that I have never married her, I never stayed with her. So all those evidences
Is it
are on
so?
record.
He has admitted that he has married her, by force. By force, he has admitted in front of the police that by force I have been married to her.
No, that record is never brought under thing. That was in the bigamy case, where police have forcefully taken me to the police station and made me write, and she never appeared in the evidence in the case. I wanted to take it up in the evidence in the court. She never appeared. She is an habitual offender. She has filed 3 criminal cases against
What
me.
is this LinkedIn profile of the respondent?
That is my
What it
wife's
shows?
and mine.
What are the certified copies of the WhatsApp chat?
WhatsApp chat, she has created a particular WhatsApp chat and saying that I have messaged her, but it has never proved. She has never even quoted which number she has got that.
What is this printout of profile of Valley Homestay?
That is my homestay which I opened in 2017. When I opened my homestay in 2017, she has realized that I have got some big money. So from 2005, she has kept quiet and straight away landed in 2017. And the allegation on me was from 2005 to 17, I have been absconding. Well, I have been working in the same company with the same number.
P11 and P12 were filed. Exhibit P11 and P12, certified copy of the order sheet in CC number double.
Yeah, that's mine. I filed.
Where are they?
Yeah, so I today wanted to highlight a very important aspect while I'll come to the merit of my writ. If you look at point number 41 in the order.
We have to.
No, there is a big concealment of income, which is what I have come to expose.
What is the amount? What is the interim order in this?
Interim, not interim, it's a final order.
What is the interim order you are asking in this?
Yeah, interim order I'm asking is stay on the order.
How much is directed to be paid?
15,000 from the date of file.
That's why I'm saying unless and until I'm convinced, because both of you are here. She's already represented. So unless and until the court is convinced about that the finding of the court is not correct, for that I need to look at the TCR.
No, I don't want to, I'll come to that. What I want to do is look at my IA2, which last time Honorable Court has asked me to bring it on record. She has concealed 32 lakhs of income which she earns, and she has given a false bank statement. Look at my IA2.
Where
During
is
the
that?
pendency of the case, both of us had filed a assets and liability statement. She has said she is not having any income and she is unemployed. And she has given one Canara Bank account where she has not given the bank statement.
Page number.
If you see page number 1, this is the bank account she has concealed.
No. Where is that? Now you have filed some papers on 10/7/2025.
10.
When did you file? There must be a date on that.
No, this is IA2 evidence I have filed, which has got the bank statement.
No, that's what you filed IA. In this IA, which page number I'm asking?
No, this is the bank statement. See, I have filed an IA to bring additional evidence on record, which the court allowed me last time saying bring.
I understand that. You're referring to something that is in which page number of that IA?
It is marked as IA2.
IA2 is before me.
Yeah.
What is that you want to refer from this IA?
Yeah. So what I'm saying is during the pendency of the case in 21, both of us filed assets and liability statement.
Yes, I
Yeah.
understand that.
So in that, she has stated she has no income and she is unemployed. To show that she has no income, she has stated one Canara Bank account without submitting the bank statement. Post the order on 2/4/2025. On my further investigation, I have come to know that she owns 2 large boutiques. Now in that bank statement, the last pages show you all the records of the banks, her boutique.
Asking you which number you have the pagination on this bank account.
Yeah.
Which page I have to look at?
Main petition, last pages you look. Okay, I will show you. Main petition, the last pages are the photographs of the boutique.
Please refer to the bank account. Where do you find that income of whatever the deposits of 30 lakhs you are referring to in this bank account?
This is a bank statement, what you see. This is a bank statement which is submitted.
I think you're not understanding what's the query of the court is. I said, where is that 38 lakhs you are referring to in this account?
32, that's right. Main petition, I'll tell you. In the main petition, page number 95. So these are the credits from April 2024.
You have responded, what are your objections on this?
Yes, Your Lordship, with your kind permission. My client has given a complaint to the bank stating that how my personal account has gone. There, the bank has replied orally, they're refusing to give. He has gone there and said he's the husband of that and he needs it for tax purposes and he has taken it.
They're not on that point. Have you disclosed this aspect before the court?
I have filed the same in my reply, Your Lordship, from page number 53. I have been given, somebody is taking care of me. They have been using my account. So my client has not felt that she had to give it, but the entire thing, whatever the amount has come has been transferred to her and the same amount has been in the same thing which has been consolidated and given. None of the amount has remained in the account of the client.
Okay,
it was being used by the person who was giving a shelter, and the same in regards of the statement saying that the shop is ours. Your Lordship may kindly.
Before you go further, can we accept that kind of a statement?
Your Lordship, that is what my client has also not informed us about it, but that.
No, once.
Please wait, please wait. Such a statement your client cannot.
We had clearly advised our, but this, since she said she is not using it, it has come in.
We'll hear it.
No, one last submission. Ma'am, section 14 of Family Court Act
That's about the legal aspect now.
can allow any evidence, ma'am. Recently, High Court, Vibor Garg versus this also has allowed this.
Deposits in our account to an extent of 30.
There's a turnover, Your Lordship.
32,000.
It's a
30 lakhs,
turnover.
32,000.
30?
30 lakhs, 32,000.
30 lakhs, 32,000, which was not disclosed before the court. That bank account statement was not placed before the court as per the law laid down by the Hon'ble Apex Court in Rakesh versus Sinha. It is submitted that the court, without considering any of these aspects, has granted an amount of rupees 15,000 as maintenance. The party in person has placed before the court stating that so and so amount is there in the bank. The objections are filed by the respondent. Land counsel appearing for the respondent submits that amounts do not belong to the respondent wife. And in fact, those belong to somebody else. As such, that bank statement was not placed before the court. This court is not able to appreciate the said submission made by the land counsel for the respondent. On the face of it, it appears that there is suppression, prima facie. This court is of the view that there is suppression and misrepresentation of facts in which would be decided by the court. at the time of final hearing of this matter. Hence, there shall be stay of all further proceedings pursuant to the order dated so and so, so and so. This is matter for final hearing. Admit, call for the TCR.
One last submission I,
The admission matter, still number 4.
one last submission I would like to make. The date of opening of this account on the statement is 2019. Assets and liabilities were filed on 2021.
Court has already granted stay. Once the TCR is received, everything will be heard. Your purpose is served. Yes.
Thank you, thank you.